And this is the third of the doorbells. This is Sally. She's super friendly. Friendly with all the dogs she meets. She really just likes to get off the lead and play, I think. But Sally was actually owned by an expat. But unfortunately, they fell ill and had to go back to their country of origin for treatment. Initially, Sally was temporarily boarding at Ace with a view to the lady owner coming back. But that just didn't materialise, so Sally has ended up as an Ace resident, which is absolutely awesome. Aren't you, Sal? Good girl, aren't you, Sally? Yeah. And she's been with Ace for 10 years plus. Because of that form of ownership, she is like really well behaved and she's easy to walk. She's been well socialised. Haven't you, Sal? You're always good, aren't you? No trouble whatsoever. Well, a little bit noisy on your doorbell duties, but that's about it. Yeah, the first few walks of the morning, the street dogs that are around will usually tag along on the walks and they'll play in the fields that are around here, or maybe go in the watering canal. It's just off to the left here, just to cool down after playing. But then they usually lie down outside of Ace, just find a shady spot and chill out. Like I said, I tried to get here early, get Bebo walked first while it's quiet and before too many of the street dogs turn up, just because of his habit of being a bit antisocial. Plus, the earlier I get here, the cooler it is. And I'll get the doorbells walked, it's usually when the street dogs are most active, and all three of the doorbells pretty much get on with most of the street dogs. And then as the street dogs tend to chill out, there's a few more dogs that I walk. But they're just easier to walk if the street dogs aren't in their faces. They're not really aggressive, they're just makes it awkward because they're a little less socialised, some of the other dogs. And there's a few of the dogs that need walking that are like boarding at Ace, and I don't always know how they're going to react to strange dogs. So it's easier to walk them a bit after when it's more quiet with the street dogs. You alright, Sal? You're a good girl? Yeah? You've been a good girl, have you? You've been a good girl? Yeah. Ja, Sam.
Ja, was war?
Ja, kom aan.
Dan komt dat de grond ook gaat aan op weer.
Bij.